question 5. We have, it's diagram time. 1, 2, F-ish there. We've got that. Oh dear. That goes over here. That goes up there. We know that's 90. That's 90. This is X, and we can label them A, B, C, D, E, F. And this is Y. Okay. Now let's add in some more details. We know that ABF, ABF, and FDE, FDE are isosceles. Now AB is the same as BF, and FD is the same as DE. These aren't necessarily the same, so we need to put them as slightly different. ABC is a straight line, fair enough. CDE is a straight line. Right angles we've put in, and X and Y we've put in. Now, first off, X equals 50. How do we find out what Y is? Okay. We've got these two isosceles which are going to help. So if X is 50, FDE is 130 because angles on a straight line, so that has to be 180. Which means, because this is an isosceles, if that's 30, these two add up to 50. It's the remainder. Which means DFE and the DEF was 25. So that's isosceles. Angles in a triangle equal 180. Okay. So we know that that's 25. We're going to try and get to this sort of circle, which is 360. So going to the other side, we can say if that's 50, we've got 90 and 90, it's 180. These two need to add up to 180 because that's a quadrilateral. So if that's 50, that's 130. So we know that FBC equals 130 because of the angles in a quadrilateral. We might as well put it in, B, C, D, F equals 360. Now if that's the same, exactly, it's a sort of symmetrical logic to this. If that's 130, ABF is 50. And you can probably see we're racing along. Those two are going to add to something neat. But if that's 50, these two add up to 130. So we've got BAF equals AFB equals 130. Same sort of reasoning as this. ABF is isosceles. Angles in triangle equal 180. Except it's not 130. Cancel that. It's divided by 2. is 65. Okay, so angle AFE is 360, so this whole circle, minus all the things we've worked out added up. 90 plus 25 plus 65, which is 90 plus 90, 180, it's 180, so it's a straight line. It's quite a neat answer. Now what it's asking us to do is prove that that's going to be similar to whatever. And let's, might as well draw the diagram again. And this time, rather than write out the reasons, I'm going to sort of add them on. So you've got A, B, C, D, E, F, right angle, isosceles 1, isosceles 2. Now x, we know that's 180 minus x, and we know that's 180 minus x. Okay, we also know this then is going to be x, and that is going to be 180 minus x. Well, it's 180 minus that divided by 2, which is x over 2. This is going to be 180 minus x, all divided by 2, which is 90 minus x over 2. So y, that there, y is 360 minus, then we add these up, 90 minus x over 2, plus 90 plus x over 2, which is 360, these cancel out, minus 180, which is 180. Okay, done.